Next, next, good morning. Yes. Next, definition of wave. Definition of wave. Definition of wave. The disturbance in a medium. The disturbance in a medium. The disturbance in a medium which carries energy. Which carries energy without net momentum of the particles is called particles in a particles of a medium is called particles of a medium is called already we wrote in a medium which carries energy without net momentum of the particles is called particles is called wave. So here how do you define the disturbance in a medium which carries energy without net momentum of the particles is called wave. Example I am taking. In this room air is present. Now I am talking. So from my mouth some sound will be emitting. Sound energy will be emitting. So this sound energy, because sound is a form of energy, it can be here. This sound will be suppose some other means it is reaching to ears. Yes, means how it is it the sound is reaching the ears means because the room contains some air. Air is a medium. So this air transfers the sound energy from my mouth to the ears of other persons or some any. Okay. So how the sound energy is traveling? See here, from my mouth sound energy is whenever it is delivering. So automatically some air particles which are closer to my mouth, those air particles take the sound energy and they will vibrate. So the next particles, the next particle of the first particle of the air which vibrate at the time of vibration, second particle take the energy from the previous particle, means first particle. In the same way, third particle of the air which is near to my mouth, closer to my mouth, third particle is there. This third particle also vibrate at the time of vibration. Second particle also vibration. So at the time of these two particles, vibration of these two particles, third particle gain energy, receives energy from the second particle. So similarly, the fourth particle takes energy from the third particle by vibration. In the same way, fifth particle takes energy from the fourth particle. So at the time of vibration, like this, energy is carrying from first particle to second particle, third particle, fourth particle, and finally it reaches to the ears. So what is happening? The particles, position of the particles are to be the same, but what happens? The particles are vibrating. The air particles are vibrating. Okay, but not the air particles which are closer to my mouth are not moving from my mouth near to my mouth and not reaching the ears. So what is happening? They are vibrating. At the time of vibration, they are taking energy from their previous particles. Like that, the energy is carrying by the each particle of the air from one particle to other particle and reaches to the earth. So here what is happening? Air particles are there only, medium particles are there only. But what is happening? Energy only carrying by the particles of the medium. So this the disturbance in a medium which carries energy without momentum of the particles of the medium. Without particles of the medium is called wave. This is about the definition of wave. Yes. Next one. Wave motion. Next to wave motion. In this case, wave motion, like this one. I'm telling you. Okay. Right. Now, wave motion. What is wave motion? See here, what happens at the time of transferring of energy, sound energy from my mouth to the ear. So what is happening? Energy is carrying, energy is transferring from where to where? From the source of sound. So energy is transferring. At the same time, momentum also transferring. So energy and momentum will be transferred, but there is no transfer of actual matter of medium. This motion is called wave motion. So in wave motion, what is happening? The energy and momentum, will be transferred, but are without transferring the material, without transferring of medium or medium particles is called wave motion. One more example I will explain here. Suppose a pond is there. In a pond, some water is there, okay, or a tub is there. In a tub, water is there. So if you drop a stone into the pond or a tub containing water, so what happens? Some waves will be produced. So what happens? The waves will be reached to the extremities, means to the border of the tub, okay, like that. What is happening? Waves are moving, waves are forming. Means what is happening? The energy is carrying, momentum also carrying. So energy, both energy and momentum will be transferred. But what is carrying? What is moving? In the tub or pond, is water moving from tub to somewhere, or from pond to another? Some no. Water there only. What is there only? But what is happening? Wave is forming. That means energy will be transferred, and momentum also transferred without transfer of water. The same way without transfer of air. The same way without transfer of a solid material. So here how do we define? The energy will be transferred. The energy and momentum will be transferred. But what will not be moved? Without transferring of medium or medium particles. That motion is called wave motion. Okay. So there are how many types of waves are there? Now come to the waves. waves. How many types of waves are there? Two types of waves. So waves are classified into two types. Now waves are classified into two types. Waves are classified into two types. What is first one? Progressive waves. Progressive waves. Second one what? Stationary waves. First one progressive waves. Second one no, stationary waves. Stationary waves. So in detail we learn what are progressive waves. First one progressive waves. See here progressive waves. Write this one. I will explain. Here separate the progressive waves. Copy this one.